So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Launch Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can use UPI payment to buy items on Amazon. So here I have selected a certain Wi-Fi printer, and I want to use the UPI payment method for making the purchase. Go ahead and click on Proceed to Buy. The next page would be selection of address. Once we have selected the address, next would be the payment methods, in which you need to scroll down. You need to scroll down until you see more ways to pay, in which you will be seeing that there is the option of making payment using UPI applications. So here there is this UPI app, so you need to simply select on this, and then you can either use your UPI ID or you can use PhonePe, Google Pay directly from within the application itself. So I will actually use here like PhonePe, and I will scroll down, I will tap on continue. Next is place your order and pay, so I will tap on this. So it takes me to the page of PhonePe, wherein I'm now required to put in the UPI PIN, selecting the account and every other thing. So here I am required to put in the UPI PIN, and now I can select on OK, and the payment should get processed. There you go, payment has been processed, and it will take me back to the account. And here you can see that the order has been placed and it is expected to come on 6th of July. So basically what I advise is, in case you're not able to see the UPI applications for making payment, simply scroll down until you see more ways to pay, and under more ways to pay you will see that the UPI methods are there. That, depending on whether you want to use the UPI application directly or you want to proceed with UPI IDs, the choice is totally yours, and you can accordingly make the choice and have your order placed on Amazon. So guys, if you find the tutorial helpful, kindly consider subscribing, sharing and also commenting. Let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. Also let us know if you want to learn something else. That's all from my side. It's me, Amlan, signing off. I will see you in the next one.